Over 90% of small businesses fail. But what if you have the missing ingredient? Discipline, grit, and execution, honed by your military service. The battlefield is now digital. Your weapons, smartphones, and laptops. The opportunity to build something truly yours has never been bigger. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about real work, real value, and building a legacy. The internet is the ultimate meritocracy. Your unique skills and experiences are your edge. Your potential customers are online right now, searching for solutions. Why shouldn't they find you? The barrier to entry is lower than ever. All you need is a smartphone, internet, and relentless will. This guide is your field manual, from idea to launch. It's time to get to work and build your empire. Transitioning from military to civilian life is tough. The structure, camaraderie, and purpose can feel lost. Building a digital business gives you a new mission, one you define. You set the values, build your team, and create your own community. The digital world is the new frontier, wide open for those willing to work. For veterans, it's a golden ticket. Work from anywhere, set your hours, and reclaim your identity. You're more than a veteran. You're a leader, a problem solver, an entrepreneur. It's time to step up and claim your new identity. Starting a business is overwhelming for anyone, but especially for veterans facing a loss of structure. In the military, you had a clear mission. Now, you create the structure and define the mission. Tech jargon like SEO and sales funnels can be intimidating, but it's just another tool to master. Don't let fear of the unknown or imposter syndrome stop you. Your skills are valuable. Self-doubt is the enemy. Ignore it. Isolation is real, but you're not alone. There's a massive community of veteran entrepreneurs out there. Find your new platoon, connect and support each other. You've faced tougher challenges before. Now it's time to adapt and overcome. Your military skills are your business superpowers. Discipline gets you up early and keeps you moving when others quit. Grit and resilience help you push through setbacks and adapt under pressure. Strategic planning is second nature. Define objectives, assess, plan, execute. You're a natural project manager, breaking down big goals into actionable steps. Leadership is your secret weapon. Take responsibility, inspire, and build trust. People follow authentic leaders. Your leadership will turn a side hustle into a thriving business. Stop seeing your service as the past. It's the foundation of your future success. Use your experience as your edge. You're ready to dominate the market. Time for action. A 4-phase plan to launch your digital business. Phase 1. Recon and target selection. Find the intersection of your skills, passions, and market demand. Phase 2. Establish your forward operating base. Set up a simple, professional website as your digital HQ. Phase 3. Make it official. Choose a business structure, sole proprietorship or LLC. Open a business bank account and separate your finances. Tap into veteran resources for support. Phase 4. Go on the offensive. Market your business and grow your audience. Focus on execution, not perfection. Launch, learn, and adapt as you go. This is your roadmap. Follow it step by step. Progress every day. Start by listing your skills and passions, military and civilian. Find where they overlap. That's your niche. Research online. Are people making money in this space? If yes, you found your target. Build your digital HQ, a simple website with home, about, services, products, and contact pages. Use platforms like Squarespace or Wix. Templates make it easy. Your brand is your story and voice. Speak directly to your ideal customer. Consistency in colors, fonts, and messaging builds trust. Don't aim for perfection, just get in the game. Your website is your launchpad. Start simple, improve as you grow. Handle the business basics. Choose your structure, set up your bank account, and use veteran resources like Boots to Business and Bunker Labs. Don't let paperwork slow you down. Just get it done. Now, market your business. Pick 2 social platforms where your audience hangs out. Create valuable content. Teach, inspire, solve problems, and document your journey. Be authentic and consistent. Start building your email list from day one. Offer something valuable in exchange for an email. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Build relationships with your subscribers. Turn followers into customers. This is how you build a sustainable business. You have your mission briefing and a clear 4-step plan. Find your niche, build your digital HQ, handle the paperwork, and market with focus. This is your declaration of independence, your chance to control your time, income, and destiny. Your military background is your unfair advantage. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Take one small step today. Register a domain, list your skills, or create content. Progress over perfection. Launch, learn, iterate. Your mission is clear. Your training is complete. Engage the enemy of doubt and claim your victory. Your digital empire awaits. Execute.